Welcome back, everybody. Walter here at the workbench. So, I wanted to clarify the alignment on a standard style Stanley Bailey pattern plane. And this particular plane, I believe to be type 15. And it has this notch. I don't know if you can see it right there. Okay, see that notch there? And it rides on a rib that goes under the frog. I guess the best way to show it to you is to take it apart. So let's go back here. So glad you could be with me here today. In the next video, I'm going to take apart an older bedrock that I have to show you the difference in the frogs. Okay, so let's drop the screws out over there. So you see, there is this notch. And it is machined. Got a little key, sort of a little key that rides on top of this rib. And while it is machined, I wouldn't call it a precisely machined mating surface. It fits over top, and like I said, there is a key that allows it to lock in place to some degree. Okay, if I push down where the screw hole is, you see, it does lock into some degree of accuracy. Now, could you blindly put that in and not thinking about it? Not even thinking about it, just put your screws back in? And will it align squarely enough? The answer is yes, it would. You don't have to get persnickety about it. However, if we want our tools to perform, you see, it has a little bit of play. And it may only be 1 to 2 degrees. But 1 to 2 degrees down here translates out to more up here. So that's why I go through the effort to try and get the frog in square. All right. I can actually go back just a little bit. I use that term a lot, just a little bit. Because that's what it is sometimes. Sometimes it's just a little bit. It's a technical term, you know. So once again, blade set on the lateral. Okay, I like to center my yoke, the front part of the yoke. I like to center that. Everything is nice centered. Put the hood back on and close it. So let's see where we are. Okay, we're a little bit heavy, not by much, a little bit heavy on this side, so we have to push the lateral just slightly that way. And that's it. That's all it took. So I did want to clarify that because I kind of overlooked that in the last video, that notch that rides on the rib. And for some reason, I'm having trouble with posting pictures on a post in YouTube. And I really wish there was a customer service for YouTube that I could call, because it keeps telling me I can't do that. Oh well, I hope this clears it up. Just a quick short one. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Walter out.